Hey Dave, how's it going today?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Good. So I'm just doing a quick follow-up here, Dave. We put up a video not long ago on the Husky 50. We were
Yep.
talking about that.
Yep.
And you put in the kit exactly. You put in the cylinder kit that you showed in the previous video.
Yes.
I'm wondering, how did you make out with that? Does it run? How's the compression? Are you happy with it?
Well, I think it went really, really well. Now, this is a no-name cylinder kit. This is my own. This is my own saw. Um, I just wanted to spend, you know, a moderate amount of money to get it up and running because otherwise it's just a paperweight to me. So I bought the one of the unbranded kits. It is Nicosil,
Okay.
or at least it claims it was Nicosil. That was in part of the listing. And maybe you can help me determine one day what to look for to see if it actually is or isn't.
Yeah.
Um,
Where did you buy
so
it?
I got it on Amazon.
Okay. And how much did you pay in Canadian dollars for it? It'll give a
It was
perspective to all the viewers here.
right. So I think it was $65 shipped.
Okay. With
Yeah.
tax and all shipped. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's not bad.
So no, it's not. And I have to say, I'm very impressed with it so far. Now, I don't
Okay.
have a bar and chain yet for this saw, so I know I'm not supposed to, rev the snot out of it or do any sort of break-in, but um, it runs. It runs great in my opinion. It idles. I barely had to do any carb adjustments.
Okay.
So I mean, for the 65 bucks, I mean, I'm pretty impressed with it.
Do you have time to just give us a compression test
Yeah,
and let us know how long have you used the saw for?
right. So I have started it twice. I let
Mhm.
it idle for a couple minutes, a couple little tiny little blips, but nothing to the moon. I have the compression tester set up here now. Everybody's compression testers are going to be a little bit different. That's my
Yeah.
understanding, but I know what to look for on mine because I've used it many times on many different saws and other pieces
Yeah,
of equipment.
and you were in my shop last summer, and we actually compared
Yes.
my compression tester with yours on the same saw. So it was pretty accurate, maybe within a pound or two of PSI. That was about it. Okay, Dave, so your saw isn't broken in yet.
Right.
Could you do a compression test in front of us? And
Yep.
before you do the test, Dave, I just want to reiterate to you and to everybody watching, when you do compression tests on a two-cycle chainsaw, just basically make sure the switch is off, keep the throttle wide open. There's usually a lock, and make sure your decompression valve, if you do have one, that it's in the off position or pulled. And give it
Okay.
about 10 pulls, and
Okay.
that's a good reading.
Okay. I'll do that now.
Yep. What do you got?
Just a hair under 150.
You know what? That's pretty good, Dave. It's not even broken in yet. I think after you use that saw for a little while and it's broken in, I
Yep.
think you're going to get a little bit more. I would
Okay.
say you'll get in the mid 150s or
Okay.
more. We can
Okay.
always do a follow-up in a month or two after you've used it a lot.
Sounds good.
And now that's an aftermarket kit, so make sure you use a good oil mix in your gas. Use the good oil that we always talk about in the videos.
Okay.
And you can go as rich as 40 to 1 to break it in.
Okay.
Okay. On the first gas tank, I always like open up the small can here. It's sealed right now, but I usually just fill a cap full and dump it in the gas tank so that it's really rich in oil for the first gas tank
Oh.
or two.
Oh. Okay.
Right? Just a little
Okay.
trick I was taught by an old timer.
Okay.
And in another video, we're going to talk about the break-in procedures. But for today, I was just curious as to how you made out with the saw and what
Right.
the compression was, because I've bought kits in the past and I've had good luck and I've had bad luck.
Okay.
It looks like you got a good kit.
I think so. And the funny thing is I actually looked it up, and 150 to 160 psi is really all you can expect out of one of these, even brand
Oh,
new with OEM stuff. So I'm happy.
you're good. Yeah. And if you don't mind, Dave, send me the link to the kit you bought, because I'm sure a lot of people watching have Husky 50s kicking around with a blown top end.
Okay.
And I'll put the link under the video if people want to buy the same kit, because they'll know it's a good kit.
Sounds good. I will.
Okay, thanks, Dave. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to both our channels, and follow me on social media. All the links are below the video. Thanks for watching us, and have a great day.
Thanks, Don.
Take care.